Kurzweil 1000 AX Plus acoustic expander. Seeing if this thing is on point, and I believe it's working just fine. Just turned it on. One thing I find is this volume knob. It is doing a full circle, just not the way it should be. I'm sure that's just not secured enough on there, but it is operating. We got these horns on. Let's put the volume up. Got it connected to this MIDI board here. So and now we have it hooked up by 1/4 inch right channel. The right channel's got a little bit of plastic missing off the rim of it, but it doesn't seem to affect it at all. Left channel. Everything looks all right on here, so I'm just going to attach this onto my listing and be happy with this next new home.